Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a Firefox update. Update that has quite a few fixes actually, and also a security fix. So you will want to do this one for at least the security fix. So if you go into the upper right corner hamburger menu, go into Help and About Firefox, you will be updated to 137.0.2. So this fixes, first of all, a memory corruption security flaw that is high severity. So that makes an attacker take control and, of course, elevate the security so that he can actually do what he wants. So it's important to fix that one. For the rest, DRM playback and video woes. So if there are, and I've seen a few people mention that they have problems with like YouTube videos, stuff like that. So one of them is because DRM support has a issue, and of course the rest has to do with the HTML5 video players. So they have fixed that apparently. There's a update restart issue that some have mentioned, which is you make an update and then it restarts, but it wants to restart again to update and again restart to update. And so some have said that what they do if it doesn't work is they just completely shut down Firefox, start it again, and then that update applies. So there's some kind of weird problem with that there. And there's a few little other problems like a PDF signature feature that has a few issues. Mac OS has a few problems with the signing and the export password. There's also flickering display issues in Windows when hovering, and a few other things like that that are fixed. But like I said, the most important for maybe a lot of you is that security flaw that is fixed, a memory corruption bug. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.